Karnataka's newly elected CM H.D. Kumaraswamy underwent a floor test today, which he was widely expected to sail through. BJP's B.S. Yediyurappa, while addressing the assembly, has promised full cooperation to Kumaraswamy's government. Ahead of the trust vote, Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister G. Parameswar has said the Congress-JDS coalition was yet to discuss modalities about H.D. Kumaraswamy continuing as Chief Minister for a full 5-year term. He added that they are also yet to decide on what portfolios will go to whom. At least 15 people have been injured in an explosion that may have been caused by two suspects at an Indian restaurant near Toronto. According to police, two parties fled the scene immediately after the incident. The Tamil Nadu Pollution Control Board has ordered the closure of Sterlite Copper Smelter plant in Thoothukudi with immediate effect and disconnected electricity supply to the unit early on Thursday. 12 protesters had died in police firing in the anti-Sterlite protests. US President Donald Trump has called off a planned summit with North Korean leader Kim Jong-un following North Korea's repeated threat to pull out of the unprecedented summit next month and its continuous warning that it was prepared for a nuclear showdown with Washington if necessary. Trump called it a missed opportunity and said someday he still hoped to meet Kim. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and Prime Minister Narendra Modi are set to meet today at Shantiniketan, along with West Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee. The talking points between the leaders could focus on the Teesta River water sharing treaty that has been hanging fire for years and the Rohingya refugee problem. The West Bengal government is readying its defense for a controversial decision to shelter dozens of Rohingya families in various parts of the state ahead of a meeting between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Bangladeshi counterpart Sheikh Hasina. The issue of Rohingya resettlement is a subject on which State CM Mamata Banerjee differs sharply with centre. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister and Telugu Desam National President N. Chandrababu Naidu has indirectly ridiculed Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao's proposal for formation of a new front that excluded both the BJP and the Congress. He added that without the TD, no party will form the government at the centre. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will begin a 5-day visit on May 29 to Indonesia and Singapore with an aim to deepen defence ties, particularly in the Indo-Pacific region. The Ministry of External Affairs has said a raft of agreements, including in areas of defence and security, are expected to be inked. Cyclone Meikunu is likely to trigger heavy showers along the western coast of Maharashtra in the next few days. According to the India Meteorological Department, some isolated places in Konkan will receive rain, but the rest of Maharashtra will have no impact.